No, we have not.
Factors. Anybody know what factors are by chance? Sophia? What's that? Yep, it's numbers you multiply together. Multiply is the key there. For example, when you have the problem 6 times 8 is 48, these two numbers right here are what we call the factors. Okay. What the book is going to ask you to do is to list all, and there's the key word, factors of 20 or some number there. I'll let you write that down. List all factors of 20, and I have some helpful hints for you. What they're asking you is what two numbers can you multiply to get 20? And you have to list all the possible combinations of those. Okay? Now, I want to tell you, first of all, the first thing you should always start off with is the number itself in 1. Because 1 times any number is itself. The very first thing you should write down is go, okay, 1 times 20 gives me 20. So those two are the first factors. Every number has itself in 1 as a factor. And then you're asking me, why did I put them so far apart? Well, children, when I read the answers from the book, I will read them from smallest to biggest, because that's the way the book gives them. 1 is going to be the smallest factor, 20 is going to be the biggest factor, and there are probably going to be factors in the middle here. So I need for you to also write them from smallest to greatest, because I don't want to have to read each problem 15 times, because you said, well, I didn't get it in that order or whatever. So you want to start with that. Another factor of 20, the next one, Lauren, was going to be what?
2 times.
Okay, 2 times 10. And again, I split those apart because one's a big one, one's a small one. And please, 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 make sure that you write both of them down at once, because too many times I see people write down the number 2 because they knew 2 is a factor, but they don't put down 10, and then they get the problem on because they forgot that one. And then the last group would be 4 times 5. These two give you 20, these two give you 20, and those two give you 20. So 20 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different factors. There are 6 factors of 20. Some numbers don't have that many, some numbers have more. For example, factors of 6. Factors of 6 would be, what would be the number factors of, whole number factors of 6? Zach?
6 times 1.
1 times 6, and what else?
3 times 2.
3 times 2, is there another one? Nope, this is it. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Doing a really long one? What about factors of 24? Again, the first thing you want to start with is 1 times 24. Is 2 a factor? Yep, 2 is a factor of every even number. 2 times what is 24? Yeah?
12.
12, so make sure you put that 12 there. Is 3 a factor? 3 times what is 24?
8.
3 times 8. And then, is 4 a factor?
Yes. 6.
4 times 6. Is 5 a factor? No. So 24 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 factors. It's not very often we get thunder in the middle of the day like this. That's so exciting. And then you'll have some numbers like this. list all factors of 23. What are the factors of 23? Factors of 23 would be, somebody out there? Connor?
1 times 20 plus 23.
Yep, and? Any other ones?
7.
3 times 7 is 21. These, ladies and gentlemen, 23 only has 2 factors, just 1 in itself. 5 only has 2 factors. 7 only has 2 factors. 11 has 2 factors. But don't get in the habit of thinking that all odd numbers are, because 9 has more than 2 factors. I'll let you write down one. How about you give me the factors of 30? Jot down for me the factors of 30. What times what gives you 30? I think there's 8 of them, right?
Yeah.
And they would be, John, what'd you come up with?
1 times 3.
1 times 30.
2 times 16.
2 times what?
16.
How about 2 times 15? And
4 times 8.
4 times 8 is 32.
5 times 12.
5 times 6 is 30. And we're missing, Jake?
3 times 10.
3 times 10. So your factors of 30 should be those factors. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. There are 8 of them. And that's how I will list them when I give you the answers from the book. Perfect.